forget to like and subscribe. If he just followed through and build second floor on this side. Well, it's all open and exposed. Anyway, the problem with doing on other side now is they can't expose where they are living. And that's the wall. It's gonna break. For now, it's good for now.